In this video, I'll guide you through how to rewrite text in Google Docs using Google's generative AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any rough paragraph or sentence and quickly turn it into a clearer, more polished version without leaving your document. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open Google Docs in your browser. You can either create a brand new document or open an existing one that already has some text you want to improve. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so all the features are available. Once your document is open, give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's a longer file. Now, look at the text you'd like to rewrite. This could be a sentence that sounds awkward, a paragraph that feels too long, or a section where you want a different tone, like more formal or more casual. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to highlight that specific text. You can also hold down Shift and use the arrow keys to select the exact words you want. It's usually best to highlight a complete thought, like a full sentence or paragraph, so the AI has enough context to work with. Once your text is highlighted, you're ready to bring in Google's generative AI. In your document, you should see an option labeled Help Me Write or an icon that indicates an AI suggestion. This is often near the left side of the page or in the area where context tools appear, depending on your version and settings. Click on Help Me Write or the AI suggestion option. If it's your first time using this feature, you might see a brief introduction or notice about experimental features. Just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. After you click, a small panel or dialog will appear, showing options for how the AI can help. Here, you'll choose how you want your text to be rewritten. In many cases, you'll see preset rewrite styles, such as making the text more concise, more detailed, more professional, or more casual. Select the style that matches your goal. For example, if you're working on an email and want it to sound more polished, choose a formal or professional style. If you're rewriting something for a friend or a more relaxed audience, a casual style may work better. You can also go beyond the preset options by typing your own prompt. This is where you can be specific. You might write something like, rewrite this to be clearer for beginners, or make this sound more enthusiastic, or shorten this to one sentence while keeping the main point. The clearer you are about what you want, the better the AI can tailor its suggestion. Once you've chosen a style or written your prompt, let the AI generate a new version of your text. Read the suggestion carefully. If you like it, you can accept and insert it directly into your document, replacing the original highlighted text. If it's not quite right, you can adjust your prompt and try again, or use the suggestion as a starting point and edit it manually. That's all there is to it. By opening your document, highlighting the text, clicking the AI option, and choosing or prompting a rewrite style, you can quickly refine your writing in Google Docs with the help of Google's generative AI.